Hello, guess who's here? Sammy Snake, and we're going to do the date. So let's see what day it is now. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today it starts with the sound th. You've got it. It's Thursday. Wednesday was day number 22. It was the 22nd. So what comes after 22? 23. Wednesday, the 23rd of April. And you know, it's nice and dry, but Sammy and I have something to show you as a clue for the sound we want to practice today. And you don't use this when it's dry. What's this, Sammy? That's right, it's an umbrella, and you use the umbrella if it starts to rain. So the clue is the sound is in rain. It's not it's the middle sound e. Let's see if you can hear the sound in this. What's this? It's a train. T-r-e-n. You know, boys and girls, the sound E is made with the letters A and I. Now, some people say A for this sound, like our song, My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say? A. So some people say A and some people say ear. I say ear. So for me it would be R-E-N. R-A-I-N. Rain. And then we've got a tr-e-n. And this is called braille. And braille is what people use if they can't see. They can feel bumps to feel what a story says. So this is called braille. B-R-E-L. Up here we've got a eel, a eel, snail, and the last one, all these words have e or a in them, A-I. And I've got a story, Sammy, to help you remember that sound, and this story is all about rain. Rain, and it's by Sam Usher. This is a great story, boys and girls. What was it called? Rain. When I woke up this morning, it was raining. I couldn't wait to go outside. Grandad said perhaps it was best to stay indoors, but I said I like going out in the rain. You can do catching raindrops, splashing in puddles and looking at everything upside down. But Grandad said, let's wait for the rain to stop. So we waited and waited, but did the rain stop? No. Look at everyone splashing outside in the puddles. So I said, Grandad, I'd like to go on a voyage with sea monsters. And Grandad said, let's just wait for the rain to stop. But did the rain stop? No. So we waited some more, and Grandad got on with his writing. I said, Grandad, I'd like to visit the floating city with fancy dress acrobats and carnivals and musical boatmen. And Grandad said, quick, let's go. We have to catch the post. But had the rain stopped? Yes! There wasn't a moment to lose, so we made our preparations and stepped outside. It was time for a voyage at last. Look, he's looking at his reflection in the water. Grandad made me captain. It started to rain again. So we did catching raindrops. And Grandad let me post his important letter. Back on dry land, with warm socks and hot chocolate, Grandad said, "You see, the very best things are always worth waiting for." And I agreed. I hope it rains again tomorrow. Did you see all the fun things he did in the rain? That was so exciting. I loved that story. And it was all about rain to remind you, Sammy Snake, what was it to remind them? Of the sound E. My ear hurt. I was in pain. E. Or pain. A. If you want to say it in a nice, lovely way like that. Have a brilliant day, boys and girls. And I hope you don't see too much rain.